I didn't even know, Tom.
Yeah, life was pretty tough back then. Particularly when it came to keeping the women in line. Now, you know, as the ladies get a bit older, well, they'd come back here for a bit more education about men. Now, there's a bloke around here that's very well endowed. You know how men show power when they do paintings, so they're showing men of power, or women of power, but particularly men of power. You can imagine how they show a powerful man. So if you look up here, and you can see one very powerful man up here. Now up here we've got Narmadon the Lightning Man. I told you a story about him, so you should be able to recognise which one it is. Anyone that throws down lightning spears is going to be very powerful, and therefore he's going to have a very solid piece of manhood weaponry. So that's the dude on the right. The band around his body represents the lightning. He's got the hammers on his head and his elbows and his knees. So yeah, Narmagon of the Lightning Man.